No need to renovate, modify, or transform. This beautiful one-year-old home from Mattamy is ready to move right in. Located in desirable Stittstville South, this family-friendly neighborhood is a wonderful place to plant roots and grow. Natural light blankets the open-style main floor, and the beautiful combination of wood and tile floors delineates the space perfectly. The bright, cheery kitchen has loads of room. You won't ever have too many cooks in the kitchen here. Quality stainless steel appliances, granite counters, and a convenient kitchen island with room to serve a quick meal rounds out this lovely space. The gas fireplace in the living room adds a cozy warmth to the winter months, and the separate dining room means plenty of space to celebrate with family and friends as the years roll by. Upstairs, plenty of room for privacy and organization too. The large master bedroom with ensuite has 2 walk-in closets for the fashion-forward, 3 more large bedrooms, and another full bathroom and a separate laundry room means you've got place for everyone and everything. The lower level is a blank slate ready for your ideas, but can easily remain as is, perfect for added storage. Or perhaps down the road sometime you'll realize you wanted a personal gym. Well, you've got space for that too. There's more: 2-car garage, close to parks, good schools, everyday amenities, and the transit system is just a short walk away. This home is a must-see on your list. Be sure to call Tracy Arnett Realty for more information today.